We are currently getting our kids' room ready, and got some great updates coming with that. Stay tuned for that. All right. Guys, as you can see, we're building our sound booth. It's here. It's getting the got the electricians running these holes here. We'll run all the way down through the wall, make it look real professional. Hey, what's up, guys? So this is day number 1, at the end of day number 1, week number 4 of our church renovations, and just wanted to just take you around just to show you what we got going on today. So today we finally, you can see there, we put up those black exit signs there. If you spin around real quick right here, we put up the black exit signs with the floodlights that is attached to them, so we don't have to have 2 different receptacles and all that. Just try to make it more user-friendly and safer for everybody. And then finally, here we started on our sound booth today. That's being constructed and built right now. So look how beautiful that looks. By the end of the week, that'll be complete. That'll be done. And we got new black emergency lights all throughout the sanctuary and in the vestibule and everything. So this is day 1, and until the next video, gotta go. Hey, what's up, guys? This is day number 2 of week 4 of our church renovations, and currently, as you see, we're still working on our sound booth, and we got some sheetrocking and mudding to do here. It hadn't added the sheetrock to the outlets and all that stuff, but I wanted to take a moment to show you that we have our flat panels installed in our men's side of our church, the restroom side of our church, and it looks amazing. You're gonna see a complete difference. Check this out. Look at that, flat panel LED. Look how bright it is in here. Look how bright it is in here. It looks amazing. What I want to do, I want to show you the before and after. So what you see here is the old panel lights that are just fluorescent. It looks really yellow in here. And so what I'm going to do in the next video, you will see how it looks with the new LED panels. Check this out. Look at that. Look how bright it looks. Looks amazing. Guys, we got our sound booth framing complete, and we have the framing for our tripod stand for our cameras, PTZs. It's going to be here, so you would just come and you would just step up here, and then the camera would be shooting down this way, give it good height over the people, and so it should be good. All right, guys, so this is the end of day 2 of week 4. A wall prep, this takes some time. We wanted to be done right. As I've said, we did the black emergency exits. They've had the tape and mud around the light fixtures right there where our new sconces are gonna go. Here's our new sound booth. Here's our new sound booth. It's framed out. There'll be a door right there where you can open it and go in. Here is our tripod stands for our cameras, PTZs. It'll be one right there. and then it'll be another one right there. And did I mention this? Look at this. Now I can just turn the lights off right here. We give God praise. We give God praise for that. As I told you, we did the LED panels over here. Real smooth. All right, real smooth. That's it for today. Till the next video. All right, guys, so this is day 3, week 4. As you can see, we're still hammering away at this wall prep. This takes a long time, but the end result's gonna be great. So they're up here now. They're up on the high part of the church now. They're better than me. There ain't no way. You know, I want to be with the Lord one day, but I don't need to be that close right now. Y'all, this is like Christmas. I am so excited right now because our sconces just arrived. There they are. I'm excited. That's to secure the foundation so we can make sure that this thing is solid. All right, guys, so this is the end of day 3, and they finally completed all of the wall prep work inside of the sanctuary. But we're doing well so far. We're doing well. Just want to go ahead and let you take a look at this here. Our sound booth is complete. It's big too, so we have plenty of room. It's out of the way. We can get an extra row of chairs in here now. So we'll get an extra row of chairs, probably starting about right here. Give some walk space for those that need to come through here, but we'll probably start that row of chairs probably about right here. So looks really good. All right, till the next video, gotta go. All right, guys, so this is the end of day number 4, week 4 of our church renovation. Today was a pretty light day. We just really focused on the sound booth so we can get other things rolling. Got the trim on there, everything ready. We're looking good. This thing looks really, really nice. Really, really nice. It's out of the way. It's not in the middle of the walkway. The former sound booth was around about here. But nevertheless, it's more aesthetically pleasing now. Look how much space is in here. Look how much space is in here. All right, we're gonna have some cabinetry back here for some storage space and all of that, but we have plenty of space for all of the new equipment that was scheduled to arrive next week. All of our new equipment and space underneath here. So we're working. All right, guys. So until the next video, gotta go. So guys, we got the old pendants down. Install the new ones. Get ready to install the new ones. All right, guys, so this is the end of the week for us, week number 4. We made it through. So as you can see, they've done all the wall prep that they need to do here. And see also we've installed all black exit signs, floodlights and stuff on the walls. And as you can see, we got our sconces in. So all of our sconces are now in. All of our sconces are now in. And I just want you to know that they look amazing. Boom, look at that. Oh man, I'm telling you, they look amazing. They look amazing, guys. They look amazing. They give off some great light. They give off some great light. Our sound booth is now complete. Complete. All right, the door is shut. It can be locked. Big old sound booth for all the things that we got coming in. So this is week number 4. On to week number 5. Until the next video, I love you. There's nothing you can do about it.